Introducing the TYPHON TERROR XVII Prestige Mini Excavator, a 4,000-pound cabin machine built for tight spaces, smooth control, and all-day comfort. At the core is an EPA-certified Kubota D902 engine, built to meet environmental standards while delivering strong, dependable performance. You get 15.8 horsepower at 2,200 RPM for steady, efficient working power, and up to 20.4 horsepower at 3,600 RPM when the job calls for maximum output. With the boom swing, 45-degree left, 55-degree right. The Terror 17 Prestige is compact and easy to transport, ideal for orchards, farms, landscaping, and small construction. It's made for jobs like planting, digging, fertilizing, weeding, trenching, and cleanup. For added versatility, it includes a free hydraulic thumb clip, giving you better control when handling rocks, branches, and debris. Operation feels smooth and responsive thanks to the dual-pump hydraulic system with hydraulic pilot controls, and the double-side throttle valve system helps manage hydraulic oil flow, especially useful when running the thumb clip and another hydraulic function on the same machine. This is more technical specification. It's also engineered for favorable heat dissipation, helping performance stay stable during long work hours. For daily digging, it comes with a standard 400mm bucket, ready to work right away, and the strong structure is designed for durability without sacrificing efficiency. Inside the Prestige cabin, you get air conditioning and heating, so you stay comfortable and productive in any season. TYPHON TERROR 17 Prestige, smart, simple, safe. Now, let's take the TYPHON TERROR 17 Prestige further with attachments that turn one machine into a multi-job solution. First, the Ripper, perfect for breaking hard soil, compact ground, and stubborn roots before digging. It helps you tear into tough terrain faster and cleaner. Next, the Auger drill, precise holes in minutes for fence posts, tree planting, and foundations. Clean holes, accurate placement, less manual labor. Then the Grapple, made for grabbing and moving bulky material like branches, logs, rocks, and debris. It gives you strong grip and better control for loading and cleanup, and for sorting material. The 600mm screening skeleton bucket, it separates rocks and debris while letting soil fall through. Great for land clearing, site prep, and cleaner backfill. And more attachments. With the right attachment, the Terror 17 becomes more than a mini excavator, becomes a complete job site solution.